Hey guys, before I can get into the InterFunnels and teach you how to actually create the funnels, I thought it would be really nice if I can give you a basic overview of the differences between a funnel and a website. If you're new to this funnel thing, that you might be wondering, why do we need a funnel when we already have a website? I mean, a website can do the job, right? But to be honest with you, there is a hell of a difference. There's a lot of difference between a website and a funnel. So the first thing is, so what is a website basically? Uh, I'm not just talking about generally about a website, but also about the shopping carts, all the other selling stuff that happens it includes the Amazon and everything else, right? So you have all these websites available where you can sell the products or services, or you can sell your own products and services on your own website. So why do you need a funnel then? So this is a big question. So first of all, I must tell you that a lot of people are migrating toward the funnel. So that really shows a trend basically, because now the people are not creating websites, they are creating funnels to sell their stuff online. So there must be something about the funnels that is really, really cool, that is basically inspiring these people to move from website to the funnel. So first thing is, what is a website? Basically, think of a website like a giant superstore where you are basically lost. You don't know what to do. You're not guided through the sales process. You're on your own. So you have different catalogs, a lot of products, a lot of things to do on your own. You pick up a basket and you start putting the items that you need into the basket. But it's not an efficient way of selling, especially when you're selling a very few products. For example, if you are a consultant or if you are selling your services, why do you need a superstore, right? You really don't need a superstore. You just need a selling process. So sales funnel is a guided selling process that is suitable for products that are not sold in a lot of bulk, but they are sold in a smaller quantity, such as your services, for example. They are a very good example, or your expertise, or your membership or trainings. They can be sold really, really good through a sales funnel. Similarly, if you're launching a new e-commerce product, that can be sold really good on a sales funnel, because sales funnel is more effective way of and a more efficient way of selling products, right? And so you really don't need a huge website or a huge shopping cart to sell online when you're just selling a few things that are closely related to each other. But what you can do really with the sales funnel is you can upsell your products, and that is something that you cannot easily do with the website. Although you can do some upselling with the websites and shopping carts, but it is not as efficient or as detailed as the sales funnel. So that is the number one reason that you want to move to the sales funnel. And the next reason is that sales funnel conversion is 4 times better than a website, where website conversion is usually low and it takes a lot of work to improve the conversions. So think about this from the business point of view. You're spending thousands and thousands of dollars on your Facebook ads, on your Google ads, but wouldn't you want your conversions to improve in order to improve your return on investment? Of course you would, because the tests have proven that if you drive the same amount of traffic to a website and the same amount of traffic to a funnel, the funnel converts 4 times better. So which one is better? Of course, sales funnels is better because it converts really well, right? So so that's the second reason why you want to move from a website to a sales funnel. And then the most important thing, sales funnels are quick to launch and easy to set up. And basically, everything is a template, right? Everything is ready. You just plug in that into your selling process. You make a few changes, you upload your video, you change some text, and the selling process is already optimized. Whereas if you're going for a website, if you have ever done a website or if you hired a designer or programmer, I'm sure you will agree that it's not the easiest thing to do in the world. Like it takes hours and hours of back and forth communication, and it takes weeks and sometimes months to get even the basic prototype up and running, right? So I think the time saving factor is a huge factor. Like you have a new product, you want to launch it like next day. So the sales funnel is the way to do it, right? Not the website, because website will take you another few months to get up and running. So that's the time factor. And then the marketing automation is much easier with the sales funnel. And what do I mean by the marketing automation? So first of all, there is email automation. Like you have the follow-ups, and then you have people segmented based on certain actions that they take on your website or on your funnel. So it is very, very easy to set up market email automation using a sales funnel. So you can, so for example, let's say you have a sales funnel which has a squeeze page or opt-in page where people put their email address, you capture the lead, and on the next step, you're selling something. Now, what you want to do is, as soon as somebody is going to purchase something from you, you want to remove them from the subscribers list and add them into a buyers list, or a customers list. So this is very easy to set up using the sales funnel. Whereas if you want to do the same thing using a shopping cart, it will take you several steps and a lot of work to do the same thing. So this is one aspect. The other aspect is how you retarget your customers, right? So let's say people visited your website, the top of the funnel, and they didn't take any action. Now you can retarget those customers using your sales funnel setup. You can push them another message or another ad or another video when they're browsing on the internet or when they're browsing their Facebook profile. So this is what we call the remarketing or retargeting, right? So there is a chance that they will come back to you. Maybe they didn't purchase at the first time because they were busy or there was something else happening. So now you have a chance to get back to them and really push your product. So this is very easy to set up with a sales funnel. The marketing automation is a breeze when you're doing a sales funnel, but in a website, not so easy to set up. So these are the key reasons why you want to move from a website to a funnel. Now, because there is a trend going on, so you know that there is a window of opportunity always. So you want to jump right now into this opportunity and avail this opportunity, because if everybody starts making sales funnels, your competition will start making your sales funnels, and you're still using the websites the old way, then of course your competition is going to outcompete you. So that's the opportunity right now, and I highly, highly recommend that you migrate to a sales funnel rather than a website. Thank you.